Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Exam Sutra. Here we are going to discuss the relation between moments and cumulants, that is moment generating function and cumulant generating function. So let's start. Let x be a random variable with MGF mx of t. Let mu is equal to expectation of x is equal to mu1 prime. We know expectation of x is mu1 prime. Let y is equal to x minus mu. So MGF of y can be written as expectation of e raised to ty. So just put the value of y, x minus mu. So expectation of e raised to t x minus mu. Just multiply t into the x minus mu. So we'll take e raised to minus mu to outside. So MY of t is equal to e raised to minus mu to expectation of e raised to tx. Expectation of e raised to tx is equal to this e raised to minus mu 2 goes that side. So it becomes positive. So e raised to expectation of e raised to tx is equal to e raised to mu 2 into MGF of y. Here expectation of e raised to tx is equal to e raised to mu t plus. Just write the expression for e raised to ty and then apply the expectation throughout the bracket. So we'll get the term 1 t into expectation y, third term t square upon 2 factorial e raised to y square, and so on. This we named as equation 1. Here expectation of y is equal to expectation of x minus mu. What we have assumed, that is y is equal to x minus mu, we just taking the expectation on both sides. So mu minus mu is equal to 0. And then expectation of y square. Expectation of y square is x minus mu square. So it is variance. We know that this is the formula for variance. Expectation of y cube. Expectation of x minus mu cube is equal to mu 3. In the same fashion, we get expectation of y raised to r is mu r. Using the above result in 1. This all result we will put into the equation 1. So expectation of e raised to tx is equal to e raised to mu t 1 plus, in place of expectation of y we'll get 0, so we put here t into 0 plus, in the second term we just put the expectation of y square, so mu 2. In the same order we will put the expectation value of y raised to r. So we will get expectation of e raised to mu t into bracket 1 plus t square by 2 factorial, because the first term vanishes, and t cube by 3 factorial into mu 3, and so on. Here we are taking log on both the sides, so it becomes log of expectation of e raised to tx and then log of e raised to mu t plus log. Here we have multiplication, so a log becomes the additive. So mu t plus log of this term. So in first here log of expectation of e raised to tx, expectation of e raised to tx is mx of t, and log of e raised to mu t, here log is with base e, so mu t will come, then log of this term. This term is, we know, this can be expressed as kx of t, and mu t is written as same, and the log of this term. So this is log of 1 plus x. So just this is log of 1 plus x. This whole term is x. So we are taking as 1 plus x. Just write down the formula for 1 plus x in the term of this 1 plus x. So we have written here, and we get kx of t as k1 of t plus k2t square by 2 factorial plus k3t cube by 3 factorial and so on, using this formula log of 1 plus x. Now we compare two sides here, kx of t, this A equation and this B equation. This we will compare this equation 1 and 2 and write down the two sides. Now LHS and RHS are both polynomials in T. Hence, coefficient of t raised to r upon r factorial in LHS is equal to coefficient of t raised to r upon r factorial in RHS for all r going from 1 to 3 up to infinity. If r is equal to 1, in the above equation, if we put r is equal to 1, then coefficient of t raised to r upon 1 factorial, we are taking r is equal to 1, so t raised to 1 upon 1 factorial on the both sides is, we'll get k1 is equal to mu, so mu 1 prime. R is equal to 2, we'll get k2 as mu 2. R is equal to 3, we are getting coefficient of t raised to cube upon 3 factorial is mu 3 in the above equation by comparing equation 1 and 2. In the same order, if we put r is equal to 4, comparing the coefficient of t raised to 4 upon 4 factorial on both sides, we get k4 is equal to mu 4 minus 3 mu 2 square. From here we will take mu 4 one side and everything other side. So k4 plus 3 mu 2 square, and we know that mu 2 is k2, so mu 4 is equal to k4 plus 3 k2 square. Therefore, we got the value of k1, k2, k3 and k4. So this is the result. Guys, please like and subscribe our channel Easy Exam Sutra to get the more updates. Thank you.